First at 4, we're learning more about a deadly shooting at a Grand Rapids motel over the weekend.
Today, 32-year-old Devin Hill was arraigned on charges including open murder in connection to the death of Demarius Cochran.
According to court records, the shooting that happened on Saturday in the parking lot of the Pleasant Motel on 28th Street and Jefferson Avenue. Police found Cochran with a gunshot to the back. He was rushed to the hospital where he died. Police say surveillance video shows Hale and Cochran interacting in the parking lot and that Hale shoots Cochran.
Documents say Hale and a former girlfriend then went back inside the motel. Investigators say Hale admitted to arguing with Cochran but denied shooting him or having a gun. Police say they found ammunition under Hale's bed and the gun in the toilet tank in the former girlfriend's room.